imitate, imitate. He imitates his dad's walk. Drool, drool. The baby drools a lot. Nibble, nibble. He nibbles his biscuit. Gulp, gulp. He gulps his juice. Appetite, appetite. She has a big appetite for pizza. Blush, blush. I blush when I talk to my crush. Chew, chew. Chew your food slowly. Graze, graze. The cows graze in the field. Lick, lick. The dog licks my face. Sip, sip. Sip the hot tea slowly. Gobble, gobble. Don't gobble your food. Feed, feed. Mom feeds the baby. Overeat, overeat. I overate at the party. Bite, bite. The dog bites my shoe. Aroma, aroma. I love the aroma of coffee. Swallow, swallow. Swallow the pill with water.